Imagine yourself in a situation where you have numerous materials in your scene and you have to edit the reflectance channel of those numerous materials at once. Until release 18 of Cinema 4D, that was simply not possible. So if you wanted to edit the reflectance channel of multiple materials, you had to step through every single material and edit the reflectance channel step by step. Now with release 18, this is possible. You have now a feature that is called Reflectance Multiple Edit. And if you click on one material here, maybe the blue one, you are indicated that this is the active material by this orange dot on the top right corner of the material preview. And there's something going on in other materials as well. As you can see here, you have a white dot going on in the top right corner of other materials. And what does it mean? It means these materials have a similar general setup of reflectance layers as the originally clicked blue one. So if you click maybe the pink one here, it is the case with the other materials as well. So the original material you just clicked is indicated with an orange dot, and materials with a similar general reflectance layer setup are indicated with a white dot. So let's jump right into one of these materials, maybe the blue one, and look what's going on inside the reflectance channel. So as a general setup, we have here a backman as a basis, a backman reflectivity model. On top of that, another backman, and on top of that, as a finish, a specular blend legacy reflectance model. So this is also the case in every other material here. You see that? All of them have a general similar reflectance layer setup, as you can see here. So the thing about reflectance multiple edit is not about different parameters or percentages. It's about the general layer setup inside the reflectance channel. So the cool thing is that you now also can create brand new materials from scratch with similar reflectance channels. So let's just create a new material, let's say new 1, and create another new material with the name new 2. So if we click both of them, hit the command key on our keyboard, then we are able to set up a reflectance layer setup at once for both materials, and that is a quite cool thing. So you can change now your reflectance model as you wish to GGX or whatever, add several other layers, change parameters, change the strength of parameters, whatever, and do that at once simultaneously for different materials. And that is a quite cool thing that saves a lot of work, especially when you have numerous materials. So one thing to be added to that indication which materials have the same similar reflectance setup, there's also a function that is called select materials with same reflectance. So that is something similar to the thing where there's an orange dot indicating your original material and a white dot on materials with a similar setup. That also can be achieved with this function from the Material Manager's menu called Select Materials with Same Reflectance.